So good morning and we'll start. Give me a minute so that we can start with the. Everybody done with solving the reading passages? Yes. Reading passage solve हो गया सबका?
Ma'am, I have
Yes.
solved passage 2 and passage 3.
Not an issue. So any which ways, I'll be solving all the 40 questions for you so that you can understand that what is lacking and where. I think I've already opened it, but just give me a second, everyone, so that I can share this passage with you. I'm not able to share this. It's coming, not responding. Okay, not an issue. Meanwhile, I'll try to share it if I can. So, can I discuss the answers? You can start marking your answers. So, can everybody listen to me?
Yes, ma'am.
All of you? I'm not able to share
Yes,
the.
ma'am.
There is no current. I'm operating it through a laptop. So I think there is an issue with sharing the document, but I'll be speaking. Just pay attention that in your passage, I'll be discussing it. So just make sure that you listen to me carefully and you follow the things accordingly. Okay. Number one, true. Number one is false. Number two, true. Sorry, number two is again false. Number three, true. Number four, true. Number five, false. Number six, not given. Number seven, true. Number eight, not given. Marked, everyone? Yes, no. Okay, great. Now, number 9M, 10E, 11G, 12P, 13J. Marked?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Next, 14B, B for Bombay. 15, taste buds. 16, Berlin, or you can say the Berlin way. 17, forward, comma, downward. 18, freshwater dolphin, or you can write freshwater dolphins. 19, water, or you can write the water. 20, lower frequencies. 21, bow head, comma, hump back. Marked?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Ma'am, can you repeat 15th?
Which one?
15th.
15 is taste buds.
Okay, ma'am.
Then 22, touch, or you can write sense of touch. 23, again, freshwater dolphin or freshwater dolphins. 24, airborne. I'm so sorry. Airborne flying fish. Airborne is one word. Flying fish. 25, clear open water. 26, acoustic sense. Marked?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. 27C, 28C, 29A, 30E, 31C, 32A. Marked?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. 33 pairs, 34 shapes, 35 cited, 36 again cited. Answer can be repeated. It is noted that you may use any word more than once. So 35 and 36 banne cited છે. 37 deep, 38 blind, 39 similar, 40 B. B for Bombay. Marked everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Now come down to first passage, which says the following statement agree with the information given in the reading passage 1. So you have to do true, false, not given. The very first question, it says the plight of the rainforest has largely been ignored by the media. Plight means what? State, or you can say situation. So a bad or little bit difficult, any such thing. That is what you call a plight. So if you come down to the first passage, please come to the first passage. Here you can see in the first paragraph, first, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth line. Okay, can you see the term thousands football fields every 40 minutes and about the duration of a normal classroom period? Yes or no?
Yes.
Okay, so in there you have to see, in the face of the frequent and often vivid media coverage, it is likely that children will have formed ideas about the rainforest, what and where they are, why are they important, and what endangers them. So dependent of any formal tuitions, it is also possible that some of these ideas will be mistaken. From this paragraph, what do we understand? The thing which is being written, if you come down to your question, it says the plight, yani difficult or the different situation or difficult situation of rainforest has largely been ignored by media. Do you think it was ignored by media? It is said that often vivid media coverage, vivid means different media coverage they did, often means very frequent, हर बार उन्होंने उसे cover किया है, that means it was important for them. Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
So can I say that this should be false because it wasn't ignored by them? Right.
Yes.
Next, number one answer, that's how it becomes false. Number two, it says children only accept opinions on rainforest that they encounter in their classroom. नीचे ही पढ़ा था, children will have formed ideas about the rainforest. They form the ideas about the rainforest, what and where they are, It is not necessary to just be in the classroom. That's why there is a phrase that is being used, what and wherever they are, and why that is important for the endangered animal. So independent of any formal tuition. So do you think it is only the classroom or any kind of formal places they can think or work about rainforest? Yes. Somebody needs to speak, guys. Are you able to listen to me?
Yes, ma'am.
I want one person to speak. 17 CE078. Which question I'm explaining and what did I explain? What should be the answer?
Ma'am, third one.
I was talking about second one.
Yes, ma'am. The second one, children will only not accept the opinion.
Huh.
And the answer is in the
Ideas
paragraph.
also, na?
Paragraph one. Children will have formed idea about rainforest, what and what, where there are, why they are important.
Yes, so it should be true or it should be false. Because
False.
question is saying that they only accept the opinions. No, they themselves forms the ideas about it.
False.
So it should be false. Good. Next 17 ME034.
Yes, ma'am.
The question is, it has been suggested that children hold mistaken views about the pure science that they study at school. Mistaken views means wrong views about the pure science that they study at school. Whether it would be true or false. It is written na, independent of any formal tuition. Now it also possible that some of these ideas will be mistaken.
It is also possible that some of these ideas will be mistaken.
Will be mistaken. So will it be calling? Should I call it true or false?
True.
True. Okay. Next. 17 ME 405.
Yes, ma'am.
The fact that children's idea about science form part of a larger framework of ideas means that it is easier to change them. Did you write? It would be in the second paragraph. Go to the second paragraph. First,
Yes,
second,
ma'am.
third line. What does it talk? Conceptual framework keyword match the making it
Uh,
complement ideas, some of which are anonymous, more robust, but also accessible to modification. એટલે થોડું changes करा से, right?
right.
Easier to change them. आपके question में लिखा है. So that should be true or false?
True.
Okay, good. Now next, 18 CP010.
Yes, ma'am.
The study involved asking children a number of yes-no questions such as, are there any rainforest in Africa? Now they are saying that जो भी study बच्चों ने किया था, it involved yes-no question, and they have given the example of it. Come down to the passage. You need to see first, second, third, fourth paragraph stating the study surveys children's scientific knowledge and attitudes to rainforest. Now, secondary school children were asked to complete a questionnaire containing 5 open form question it was. Anywhere it is mentioned that it was a yes no question and the example of it?
No.
It was just the open form.
Yes.
So or it is opposite?
Yes.
It is opposite or similar?
Opposite.
So that should be true or false?
False.
Okay, next. 18 EL010. It says that girls are more likely than boys to hold mistaken views about the rainforest destruction. Okay? गर्ल्स को कंपेयर किया है बॉयज से, सो गर्ल्स आर मोर लाइकली, यानी गर्ल्स रेन फॉरेस्ट डिस्ट्रक्शन से रिलेटेड ज्यादा मिस्टेकन व्यूज होल्ड करते हैं. ये कंपैरिजन कहाँ पे दिया है पैसेज में? 18 EL 010. Second page.
No.
Have you found anywhere where they are talking about the mistaken views or something like that? Comparison that girls
No.
hold mistaken views. No. So what should be written here? False or not given? What should be written? False or not given?
Not given.
Great. Next, 18 ME 023.
Yes, ma'am.
The study reported here follows on from a series of studies that have looked at children's understanding the rainforest. So your keywords are the study reported here follows on from a series of studies. So किसी study को go through किया गया है that have looked at the children's understanding. So if you look at number 7,
Second last paragraph, ma'am.
very good. Second last paragraph. It
First
clearly
line.
out, yes, the result of study suggests the certain ideas predominate in the thinking of children. Very good. So it should be true.
Yes, ma'am.
Great. Very good. Next person. 18 ME 045.
Yes, ma'am.
A second study has been planned to investigate primary school children's ideas about rainfall. Do you think there is any kind of second study they are talking in the passage? Anything
Study of
related
rainforest.
study of rainforest, but second study I'm saying. कोई दूसरा study, second study has been planned. What study to investigate primary school children's idea about the rainforest? ऐसी कोई study की है student को investigate करने के लिए? Any such information? Second last already talked about the result, right?
Yes.
Then pupils did not volunteer that suggested the appreciated complexity causes for the rainforest destruction. Again, even if you read the end of it, it talks about only the environmental education offers an arena in which these skills can be developed, which is essential for children's future decision making matter. So did they talk anything related to second study that they did?
No.
No, so that should be not given, right?
Yes.
Okay. Next, 19 CP 307. What was the children's frequent response when asked whether rainforests were? What was the frequent response? Come down to first passage. The second question, last paragraph, the second question concerned the geographical location of rainforest. So the commonest response kya tha? Were continents or countries. That means Africa given by 43% of the children. South America is 30%, Brazil 25%. So some children also gave more general locations such as being near to equator. So if you come down to M, can you see rainforests are found kahan pe zyada tha? Africa?
Yes, ma'am.
Answer, right? Number 10. What was the most common response to the question about the importance of the rainforest? Who can tell me this? Commonest response now, important. Yes. The dominant idea raised by 64% of the pupils was the rainforests provide animals with their habitats. Habitats unka livelihood. जहाँ पे वो रहते हैं. So that you call E. Without rainforest, some animals would have nowhere to live, right? Now, what did most children give as the reason for the loss of rainforest? Now, what was the reason for the loss of rainforest? If you come down to the next page only, and that is the fourth question concerned, first, second, third paragraph. The causes of destruction of rainforest. What was the causes? More than half of the pupils, that is 59%, identified that it is human activity which destroys the rainforest. So what you write about it? That is G. People are responsible for the loss of rainforest. Next, number 12. Why did most children think it important for the rainforest to be protected? Right? So for number 12, again, उसी के नीचे वाला paragraph. If you can see misconception, उसके नीचे. The answer to the final question. The importance of rainforest conservation. Majority of the children simply said that we need rainforest to survive. Can you see that? What they want, protect कैसे करना है? They want it to survive. So you can write P in that case. Humans depend on the continuing existence करके survive का means उसकी existence हुई. Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
So continuing is existence. That means your answer should be P. Next, which of the responses is cited as unexpectedly uncommon given the amount of time spent on the issue by the newspaper and the television? So if you look at this, clear again continuation में only few of them you can say pupils. What does this say? They mention that rainforest destruction may contribute to what? It can contribute to what?
Global warming.
Global warming.
So what do you mean by that? Which option you will pick here? Can you see that as rainforests are destroyed, J letter, rainforests destroy होगा तो क्या होगा? The world gets warmer. That means global warming, what they are talking on. Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now, 14th question. Which of the following is the most suitable title for reading passage? Okay, from starting till the end, we read about children's idea. Yes or no? Children's idea about what? Rainforest?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am. Rainfall.
So if you come down to the passage only, and if you just refer the first line, it talks about that there was, for example, one graphic illustration to which children might readily relate is the estimate that rainforests are being destroyed at a rate equivalent to 1,000 football fields every 40 minutes. So drawing as an illustration means design. So you can write B, children's idea about the rainforest and the implication for course design. Yes. So it wasn't a program, it was the course that children were doing. Clear? Yes or no?
Yes.
Shall we move on to the next paragraph? Next passage, I mean. Here you have
Yes,
a table that says no more than 3 words. In that case, you have a category saying sense, species, ability, and comments. For number 15, we are looking at comments. The keywords are taste, some types, and poor. Now, come down to first passage for number 15. First paragraph, second last line. Similarly, although at least some catechins taste बोला है, some type बोला है, and poor बोला है. So catechins have taste buds, comma, the nerves serving this have degenerated or are rudimentary. So what do you mean by this? What is the comment given for them? some species like that. What is the comment given for them? They have what? Yes, cetaceans have what, guys? Nerves बोला है ना कीवर्ड में ब्लैंक के पहले. Nerves linked to their dash are underdeveloped. Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
So taste bud can be the answer.
Yes.
Okay. Similarly, if you look at the next part, कैटेसियंस का मतलब थोड़े टाइप ऑफ स्पीशीज के बारे में बात हुई थी, राइट? स्मेल से रिलेटेड सेंस में जो स्मेल बोला है उससे रिलेटेड ऑलरेडी बात की है स्पीशीज में, दैट इज टूथ हेड एंड बेलिंग. सो वो नहीं देखना था. सिमिलरली टेस्ट में सम टाइप्स ऑफ स्पीशीज दैट इज कैटेसियंस, राइट? नॉट टच में ऑल काइंड ऑफ स्पीशीज बोला है. तो एबिलिटी यस है और उसका कमेंट दिया गया है. नाउ हमें कौन सा देखना है? नेक्स्ट सेंस विजन. अब विजन कौन से टाइप ऑफ स्पीशीज में होता है जिनकी एबिलिटी यस होगी? In what ways? Probably do not have stereoscopic vision. Now stereoscopic vision के लिए turn to next page. Very first line. Can you see the sense of vision? Keyword आया. Is developed to different degrees in different species, right? Baleen species study at close quarters underwater, specifically gray whale calf in captivity for a year, and free-ranging right whales and humpback whales studied and filmed off Argentina and Hawaii have obviously tracked object with visions underwater, and they can apparently see moderately well both in water and in air. However, the position of eyes so restricts the field of vision. Sema, कहीं restrict થાય છે? Stereoscopic vision કોનું થયું? સેનામાં restrict થાય છે? કઈ whales માં? લખ્યું છે stereoscopic vision last line માં.
Baleen whales.
Exactly. Your keywords matched. Baleen whale becomes your answer. Next, उसी के नीचे है dolphins and porpoises. Probably have stereoscopic vision. तो वो stereoscopic vision का comment क्या दिया था? Number 70. उसी के नीचे है. On the other hand, the position of eyes in most dolphins. Can you see the keyword now? Porpoises suggest that they have stereoscopic vision, but कैसे है? Forward, comma, downward. Clear?
Downward.
Yes. Next. Dash, yes, but it is probably have stereoscopic visions forward and upward. अब downward नहीं देखना है, forward and upward का देखना है. Same line, clearly. Eye position in freshwater dolphins, right? Which often swim on their side or upside down, means upward and upward वाला आया ना, upside down vision. So that is freshwater dolphins as your answer.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Next, bottlenose dolphin. Yes, ability बोली है उसकी. Exceptional means outstanding, something extraordinary. In dash and good in air-water interface. Now, you have to just read forward. It says by comparison, the bottlenose dolphin, keyword आ गया, has extremely keen vision in water. Extremely keen means extraordinary thorough. Extremely, right? Vision in water. And judging from the way it watches and tracks airborne flying fish. So by comparison, bottlenose dolphin has extremely what? Keen vision. कई keen vision હોય છે water माना. So they are exceptional.
Yes, ma'am.
Clear? Water becomes your answer. The next is hearing. Most large baleen, yes, usually use dash repertoire limited. So in that case, come down to the last paragraph. Although the sense and taste and smell करके दिया है, उसमें से first, second, third line. Can you see the line? Most species are highly vocal, although they vary in range of sounds they produce, and many forage for food using echolocation, and large baleen whales primarily means first priority. What they use is lower frequencies and are often limited in their repertoire. That is the similar thing what is given here, right? So I just need to write lower frequencies in my answer. Number 21, dash whales and dash whales are song like. So kaya whales છે? એની જ નીચે છે. Notable exceptions are the nearly song-like choruses for whom bowhead whales in summer and the complex hunty utterances of the humpback whales. तो बे whales ना नाम आया. कया कया?
Bowhead and humpback.
Great. That becomes your answer. Number 22. Which of these senses is described here as being involved in mating? Now for number 22, if you look at first page, second paragraph, first, second line. Trainers of captive dolphins and small whales often remark on their animals' responsiveness to being touched or rubbed, and both captive and free-ranging cetacean individuals of all species. So particularly adult members and calves of the same subgroup appear to make frequent contact. So that means being touched. That becomes your answer. That means what can you write? Sense of touch, or you can only write the term touch. 23. Which species swims upside down while eating? कौन से species के बारे में हमने पढ़ा था upside down?
Freshwater.
Freshwater dolphin, or you can write freshwater dolphins. Good. 24. What can bottlenose dolphins follow from the underwater? Who they follow? Bottlenose वाला keyword next page में ही है. Who they follow? By comparison, airborne flying fish. Very good. So that becomes the answer. Which type of habitat is related to good visual ability? Which type of habitat? For 25, second page, first, second, third paragraph. Such variations can no doubt be explained with reference to the habitats in which individual species have developed. For example, vision is obviously more useful to species inhabiting clear open waters than those living in the turbid rivers and flooded plains. So inhabiting कहाँ पे वो कर रहे हैं? Clear open water में. कहाँ पे वो ज़्यादा रहते हैं? Clear open water. Right? That becomes the answer. 26. Which of these sense is best developed in cetaceans? For number 26, last paragraph, second page. Second page mein last paragraph. What does it say? Although the senses of taste and smell appear to have deteriorated and vision in water appears to be uncertain, such weaknesses are more than compensated for by cetaceans which developed what? Well-developed what?
Acoustic sense.
Yes, that becomes the answer. Clear? Any doubt in first and second? Yes or no? Students, any doubt in first or second passage?
No, ma'am.
Okay. Coming to number 27. Please take a look at it. Number 27. In the first paragraph, we have to go to first paragraph as they mentioned. The writer makes the point that blind people. Now what they are saying here. First paragraph. If I come to first paragraph, you people go to your first paragraph. From the number of recent studies, it has become clear that blind people can appreciate the use of outlines and perspective to describe the arrangements of the objects. So what they can do, can you see, recognize कन्वेंशन सच एज परस्पेक्टिव, वो क्लियरली वर्ड दिया था और एक ही ऑप्शन में वो वर्ड है, तो सी बिकम्स योर आंसर. Number 28. The writer was surprised because the blind woman. Now we have to see the keyword blind woman. Come down to first page. Again, you can see this fact was drawn to my attention dramatically when a blind woman, I got my keyword, in one of my investigation decided on her own initiative to draw a wheel as it was spinning. So what draw his attention? If I come to 28, can you see symbol representing a movement? She draw a wheel, na? As if it is spinning. Spinning means there is a movement in it. So that's what she draw. That means symbol. So C becomes your answer. Clear? That is what writer was surprised. अगर क्वेश्चन में ऐसा आता that what the blind woman did, right? In that case, I can write A because woman ने drew circle किया था on her own initiative. But we are looking at writer's perspective. So why he was shocked? Because he saw the symbol which is stating that it is spinning like that. That means there is a movement. Number 29. From the experiment described in part 1, so we have to read part 1. The writer found that the blind subjects, अब जो experiment किया था part 1 में, blind subjects जो थे वो क्या कर सकते थे? Now in part 1, if I read the next, when I asked several other blind study subjects, I got the keyword to draw spinning wheel. One particularly clever rendition appeared repeatedly. Several subjects showed the wheel's spokes as curved lines, जो ऊपर draw किया गया है. When asked about these curves, they all described them as metaphorical ways of suggesting motion. Motion, that means it is in movement. So what you call that? You have a keyword called movement. एक ही option में है. So you can say A had good understanding of symbol representing movement. So it is not about only the blind woman. The other subjects hata, those who are blind, they also recognize this symbol in the same way. That means representing movement. Clear about it, everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Next we have number 30. What we need to do in number 30? Look at the following diagrams and the list of types of movement below. Match each diagram to the type of movement A to E generally assigned to it in the experiment, right? So first you can see in first picture, there are straight lines, but it is out of the circle little bit. 31, you can see dashed lines. 32, you can see curved lines, right? Now, if you come down to first for number 30, first page, it says first page, last paragraph. All but one of the blind subject assigned distinctive motions to each wheel. Now most guessed that the curved spokes हमें कौन से diagram में मिला?
Third diagram.
Third diagram, great. That indicated that the wheel was spinning. So what do you mean by that? Which option should come?
A option, steadily spinning.
Yes, exactly. Good. Next, the way we spoke, they thought suggested that the wheel was wobbling, and the bent spoke was taken as a sign that the wheel was jerking, right? Subjects assumed that spoke extending beyond the wheel's perimeter signified that the wheel had its brakes on and that dashed spokes, दोनों आ गया? One he talk about these spokes that is extending beyond the wheel. तो wheel से आगे थोड़ा spoke निकला है. वो 30 वाला हुआ first image. And जो dash,
Yes, ma'am.
जो dash वाला है, that indicates spinning quickly. Okay. So एक जो wheel है that is brakes and second जो wheel है that is spinning quickly. That means 30 would be use of brakes and 31 would be rapid spinning. Clear?
Yes,
Any
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
doubt? Okay, next we have in the experiment described in part 2. Now we have to read the part 2. A set of word dash was used to investigate whether blind and sighted people perceived the symbolism in abstract dash in the same way. There are two answers what we are looking for. If you come down to second passage, you can see फर्स्ट सेकेंड थर्ड फोर्थ मीन्स फर्स्ट पैराग्राफ का पार्ट 2 में जो पहला पैराग्राफ है उसमें सेकेंड लास्ट लाइन इज योर कीवर्ड अंडरस्टैंडिंग द सिंबॉलिज्म बिहाइंड शेप्स कैन यू सी दैट टर्म सो सिंबॉलिज्म इन एब्स्ट्रैक्ट के बाद जो 34 का आंसर है वो शेप हुआ actually this is not in sequence but you have a keyword with the help of that you come to know about your answer and जो 33 का आंसर हुआ वो सेकेंड पैराग्राफ में आएगा we have give a list of 20 pairs of words तो ऊपर words वाला पहला लिखा है set of word pairs बोला जाएगा pairs means it is not one it is more than one was used to investigate whether blind and sighted people perceive the symbolism in abstract shape in the same way or not like that, right? Now, subjects were asked which word fitted best with the circle and which with a square. So from the dash volunteers, everyone thought a circle fitted soft while a square fitted hard. However, only 51% of the dash volunteers. Now same dash volunteers. Now next page in the same page you can say 20 pairs of word to cited subjects. Can you see? Now who are these subjects? Ask them to pick from each pair the term the best related to a circle and the term that best related to a square. Can you see circle and square aa gaya? That means subjects are nothing but related to volunteers who were involved. Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So my 35 answer in both the cases, it should be cited. Because
Yes,
everywhere
ma'am.
they have used the term cited subject, that subject is converted into volunteers in your main question. Okay. Next, volunteers assigned a circle to dash. Now they assigned a circle to what? If you come down to the next page only, all our subjects deemed the circle soft and square hard. Now full 94% ascribed happy to the circle instead of sad. But other pairs revealed less agreement. That means 79% matched fast to slow and weak to strong respectively. And only 51% आपके keyword में ये था linked deep to circle and shallow to square. तो circle के लिए उन्होंने क्या बोला 51% था ना however करके क्वेश्चन में 51% of the dash volunteer that means cited volunteers या cited subjects assigned a circle to deep. That's how you pick your answer. Okay. When the test was later repeated with dash volunteers, अब कौन से volunteers के साथ repeat किया गया? Last line में है.
Blind volunteers.
Yes. In fact, only small majority of cited subject, 50% had paired far and near to the opposite partners. Thus, we concluded that the blind interpreted abstract shape as sighted people do. So, sighted and blind. Sighted people means sighted volunteer. So, उसके साथ उन्होंने क्या किया? Blind volunteers, and it found that they made dash choices. So, can you see this term? Thus, we concluded that blind interpreted abstract shape as sighted people do. That means same हो गया. तो वो abstract shape को वैसे ही समझ रहे थे या interpretate कर रहे थे जैसे sighted people का means क्या जो देख सकते थे. Similarly, तो similar choices आएगा answer. Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
The last question you have is, which of the following statements best summarizes the writer's general conclusion? So writer का conclusion क्या था? It was on the blind one, right? Blind सारे option में है. Now, can you see the term? Last line में ही उन्होंने conclude क्या किया था? They are talking about general conclusion ना? तो sighted people और blind people का interpretation same था. Same यानी similar. So similar तो एक ही option में है, that is B. So it cannot be this answer. The blind comprehend. Comprehend का मतलब understand. Visual metaphors. Metaphors का मतलब image. In similar ways to sighted people. Means दोनों का same हुआ. Yes or no? Yes, everyone?
Yeah.
Okay, great. Any doubt in reading now? Any doubt in reading? No? You all of you have corrected your answer?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. I'm speaking the score. Please score yourself. I'm giving the scores. Please first score yourself and then tell me how much did you score. So whoever scored from, I'm starting with 5 bands. Anybody less than 15? Anyone less than 15? Okay. So 15 to 18 is 5 bands. 19 to 22, 5.5 bands. 23 to 26, 6 bands. 27 to 29, 6.5 bands. 30 till 32, 7 bands. 33 till 34, 7.5 bands. 35 to 36, 8 bands. 37 to 38, 8.5 bands. And 39 to 40 is 9 bands. Written? All of you marked your scores?
Hello, ma'am.
Yes?
મેમ મેં પેસેજ 1 સોલ્વ નતો કર્યો એટલે મેં ખાલી 2 અને 3 સોલ્વ કર્યા હતા.
કઈ વાંધો નહીં. કેટલું સાચું પડ્યું સેકન્ડ એન્ડ થર્ડમાં?
સેકન્ડમાં 2 રોંગ છે અને થર્ડમાં 3 રોંગ છે.
કઈ વાંધો નહીં. Still you can mark yourself accordingly. But out of 40 ગણીને mark કરજે. કઈ વાંધો નહીં. Okay. Any doubt in reading now? Can we move on to writing task 1? બધા પાસે task 1 નું image છે?
Yes, ma'am.
Have everybody gone through with the image? તમારું data જોઈ લીધું તમે?
મેમ સવારે જ આવ્યો હતો ને એટલે મોસ્ટલી ટાઈમ નહીં મળ્યો આ બધા.
કઈ વાંધો નહીં. હમણાં જોઈ લો. I'll give you 10 minutes. It's fine. Just હમણાં જોઈ લો. I'll give you 10 minutes to look at your data. Can you see this?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So please look at your data and we'll discuss it afterwards. જોઈ લીધું ડેટા બધાએ કે બાકી? Do you need still time, everyone? ડેટા જોવાનું બાકી ગાઈસ કે જોઈ લીધું?
જોઈ લીધું મેમ.
ઓકે ડન. So introduction પહેલા બનાવી દઈએ. Give me a moment. Now introduction માટે આપણે શું use કરીએ છે?
Statement request.
Three things that we have to mention to write the introduction. What are those things? That is what, where, and when. Remember? What के अंदर क्या आएगा? What में क्या आएगा? Type, right? So type के साथ क्या आएगा? Information, right? Afterwards we have to write where. Where में क्या आएगा? Categories. When. In when we have to write, we have to mention time period, then scale. Okay, can we write units in writing task 1? Can we write units in writing task 1? Yes, no, anything?
No, we just have in
Yes,
introduction.
can mention scale. Units can be in any form, so we avoid writing units. Okay, and if you all remember, we have already discussed this. First we have to write introduction. What are the things that comes here? In paragraph we make introduction, just a second. इंट्रोडक्शन के बाद क्या लिखना है हमें? First paragraph is introduction. Second paragraph is body 1 or body 2?
Body 1.
Body 1.
Body 1. Cannot type it here, it's fine. Yes. Introduction. The next paragraph comes body paragraph 1. Body 2 will become optional. Body para 2. And then we should write overview statement. Right? Body paragraph 1 will start with body 1 linker. What about body paragraph 2? Which linker you have to start this with? This is actually optional. Okay, but if you look at your image, आपके पास दो अलग infograph हैं. One is bar graph and one is pie chart. So in that case, body 1, you're going to explain what? Your bar graph. And body 2 now here will not become optional. You'll be using a supporting linker because your data is the information. It is not talking anything negative about your bar graph. It is the another information, but similar to what is the whole information about. That means here you'll be describing about pie chart. Overview statement. Here the linker is overall. Make sure you do not forget to start your linker, to start your paragraph with a linker. Now overall, related to bar graph, दो एलिमेंट क्या होते हैं? Highest and yes, highest and
Lowest.
lowest. So when it comes to pie chart, first bar graph का आपने overview statement में highest lowest mention किया, and when it comes to pie chart, उसमें आप maximum minimum mention कर सकते हो. Minimum या minimum. Okay. वैसे आपके पास कितने कैटेगरी हुए? 1 and 2 and 1 and 2, total 4. So you can pick 3. That means बार ग्राफ के दो एलिमेंट्स बता के पाई चार्ट का एक एलिमेंट आप पिक कर सकते हो. Because in case of overview statement, write 2 or 3 elements. 2 or 3 elements. Now this is not only the bar graph that you are explaining. You also have a pie chart to explain. So any which ways, I can mention 3 elements here. I can mention 3 elements here. So 2 elements of bar graph and 1 element from pie chart. Clear everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. What is the type I have here? Bar graph. I can write bar graph. Okay. So I can write the information regarding the bar graph first. What is the information of bar graph? Can anybody read the question for me? Bar graph है and pie chart है, right? Bar and pie chart. The first information, that means the first chart shows the reasons why adults decide to study. So can I write causes for, can I say reason ko, that causes why adults decide to study? Causes why adults decide to study. This is in case of bar graph. What about pie chart? What about pie chart? It says it shows how people think the cost of adult education should be shared. So can I say that the pie chart illustrates how people think the expense of adult education should be divided? How people think the expense of what? Adult education should be divided. Yes or no? Chalega?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
I tried to just make sure that I tried to write the paraphrasing term in a proper way, just using a similar terms, that's it, nothing else. So these are the two things I have to use. I can use the term bar graph provides, because it is in singular. Whenever I'm writing bar graph provides the causes why adults decide to study, and you write the word and. The pie chart, you can use the term illustrates how people think the expense of adult education should be divided. Clear, everyone? Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Next, categories. If I look at the category, L. Can everybody listen to me now?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay,
Yes, ma'am.
fine. The categories here. Reasons for study. How many reasons do we have here? Reasons can also be called as factors. So there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So can I write 7 different, or if you don't want to write different, you can say in 7 various factors in case of bar graph. Yes? What about pie chart then? Pie chart में क्या है? Among how many groups or categories?
3.
3 categories.
3 categories, right? Do we have any time period here? Do we have any time period?
No.
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 So
No.
there is no time period. Do we have a scale?
Percentage.
Percentage in both the cases? So can I say the scale is in percentages? I don't need to use R because both have the similar scale, that is percentages, right? So here I can say the graphs, if you look at your question, there is one statement that is still remain to paraphrase. The chart below shows the result of a survey of adult education. In that case, if I try to paraphrase the first sentence, I can say use the term the graphs. If I use the term graph, it should graphs, that is provide आएगा आगे, singular and plural. The result, can I say the information about the outcome? It can be outcome. Information about the outcome of study को can I say research? Survey को can I say research? Research.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, of adult education. फिर इसके बाद आप पहले पैराग्राफ का पूरा लिखोगे, देन एंड यूज करके पाई चार्ट का इंफॉर्मेशन लिखना है. क्लियर? Even so you can say the graphs provide the information about the outcome of research of adult education. The first bar graph indicates the causes. हमने लिखा है ऊपर, right? Indicates या provides. If we have written provide here, we have to change the word over here. I would use the term indicates. Okay, the first bar graph, or you can simply write the bar graph, indicates the causes why adults decide to study on the basis of 7 various factors or 7 different factors, and the pie chart illustrates how people think the expense of adult education should be divided among 3 categories. उनके बीच में डिस्ट्रीब्यूट होने वाला है, तो among 3 categories, right? Full stop. The scale is in percentages. Clear? Or you can simply say the scale is in percentage. Any doubt in this? Yes?
No, ma'am.
No.
Okay. Now, if you come down to your first paragraph bar, I want 17ME034 to unmute.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Beta, કેવી રીતે તે પ્લાન કર્યું છે? How you're going to explain your bar graph?
ફર્સ્ટ ઓફ ઓલ હાઈએસ્ટ પર્સન્ટેજ છે તેને કરીશ.
ઓકે, હાઈએસ્ટ એટલે કયો
પછી
છે?
સિમિલર ઇન્ટરેસ્ટ ઇન સબ્જેક્ટ
ઇન્ટરેસ્ટ ઇન સબ્જેક્ટ
સબ્જેક્ટ
હાઈએસ્ટ, રાઈટ?
હા
40% એ લખ્યું, એના પછી કમ્પેરિઝન માટે કોના સાથે કરશો?
ગેઇન ક્વોલિફિકેશન
સો હાઉ મેની પરસન્ટ લેસ?
2%.
2% less. Then what about next?
Next, helpful for current job.
Okay, that is 22%. What about next?
પછી આ સિમિલર પોઈન્ટ લઈ લઈશ. ઇમ્પ્રુવ આ બંનેને સાથે લઈ લઈશ.
Comparative grouping બંનેને સાથે. Very good. પછી
to able to change jobs and last પછી to meet people.
that would be least. આ બંને બી ભેગા લખ.
Least.
Comparing to rest of the categories, આ બંને તો ઓછા જ છે, right? So can I use the term to commence with 40% of the people got educated? Why I'm using the past? Because it was a survey. टाइम पीरियड तो આપ્યું નહીં, પણ સર્વે આપણે એ જ કહીએ ને જે વસ્તુ થઈ ગયું હશે. આઉટકમ એટલે જે વસ્તુ થઈ ગયું છે રિસર્ચ, રાઈટ? તો આપણે લખીશું એન્ડ પાય ચાર્ટ તમારું પ્રેઝન્ટમાં આવશે. સો હિયર આઈ કેન રાઇટ ટુ કમેન્ટ્સ વિથ 40% of the people got educated. Why they got educated? Because reason છે, right? So because આવશે, right? So because of their interest
in subject.
a particular subject, I can paraphrase it કારણ કે categories થોડું phrases માં છે, એક વર્ડમાં નથી. તો મારે suit કરવા પડશે ને, sentence માં fix કરવા પડશે ને properly. So can I say 40% of the people got educated because of their interest to study the particular subject. Okay, thereby, or you can use while there was a 2% decrease from the above. Can I say? મારે ફરી રિપીટ ના કરવું હોય તો? So there was a 2% decrease from the above for people who got educated to gain what? Qualification, or people need to gain qualification with how many percent, which was 32% less. તો પહેલા મેન્શન કરી દીધું, પણ કેવું તો પડશે ને 2% લેસ થઈને કેટલા આવ્યું? So I can say na 2% decrease. So તમે જ્યારે sentence લખો તો there was a 2% decrease from the above. બરાબર છે? People who studied to gain qualification, which comes up to 38%. બરાબર છે? Then you can use furthermore 22% learned. Learn no past form. Learned so that it could help them in their present job, kato present work kehvay. Right? Then you can use the term next. People also studied to improve ni jagya kehvay, to upgrade.
Yeah.
Prospects of promotion, can I say the possibilities of progress?
Yes.
તમારે ના યુઝ કરવા હોય તો સિમ્પલી એ બી કહેવાય that next people also studied to improve the prospects of promotion and to enjoy the learning and study with 20% each, or you can say which was 20% each. Clear થયો? પછી besides this કાં તો apart from this, હું supporting linker જ વચ્ચે યુઝ કરું છું. જ્યારે પહેલા બે કર્યા એને બીજાથી કનેક્ટ કરવા માટે વચ્ચે એક મેં લિંકર યુઝ કર્યું. બરાબર છે? એવી રીતે તમે લોકો બી યુઝ કરી શકો છો. I can say besides this 12% and 9% people were only interested to participate in order to able to change their jobs and to meet people respectively. આવે હવે?
Yes, ma'am.
came respectively because this is 12 and 9 similar નથી અલગ અલગ છે પણ બંને મેં સાથે લખ્યું એટલે respectively આગળ મેં લખ્યું 2020 કેસમાં બંને સાથે હતું but એનું ડેટા સેમ જ છે કઈ ચેન્જીસ નથી સો એમાં respectively નહીં આવે ક્લિયર
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, I'm repeating it again. If you all want to write certain points or words, you can write it down. The linker that I'll be using is to commence with 40% of the people got educated because of their interest to study the particular subject. Thereafter, there was a 2% decrease from the above in order to gain the degree which was 38%. 22% learned so that it can help them in their current job. Next, people also study to improve the prospects of promotion and to enjoy learning and studying, which was 22% each. Besides this, 12% and 9% people participated in order to able to switch the jobs and to interact with the people respectively. Right? Any doubt in bar graph, everyone? Yes or no?
No, ma'am.
Okay. Now coming down to next pie chart ma. Again, we can start it with the highest one. What is highest?
Individual.
Individual highest.
Individual.
Can I say in addition to, because I'm not going to use any contradicting linker because data nathi ke use karase, right? In addition to, the pie chart conveys that 40% of the cost, right, is bear by whom? BEAR. It goes by individuals. Can I say that? Now, can I use the term followed by 5% less by the employer, which was how many percent?
35%.
35%. The taxpayer has to bear the least cost, least house, which comes up to 25%, right? So I can clearly say na, in addition to the pie chart conveys that 40% of the cost is taken by the individuals, followed by the 5% less by the employer, which was 35%, and taxpayer has to bear the least cost, which comes up to how much? 25%. Okay. What would be your overview statement? Overview statement શું આવશે આનું? Majority number of people studied. Why? Because of the
Interest in subject.
right, and the least wanted to study because they wanted to
Meet people.
yes, whereas, or you can say, while in case of pie chart, individual had to share the maximum cost. Okay, 3 elements आई क्या? If you want to write it 4, you can also mention maximum and minimum. Yes or no?
Yes,
ma'am.
Okay, yes. So, any doubt in report writing now? Any doubt in report writing, everyone?
No, ma'am. No, ma'am.
No?
ma'am.
Okay. So, who is 17ME034?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, beta. So, khabar padi tane, what would be your approach now to understand this?
ફર્સ્ટ ઓફ ઓલ ઇન્ફોર્મેશન
હમ,
ક્યાં પછી આના આ બાર ચાર્ટ ને પહેલા વોટ વેન ને where ને વોટ
હમ,
વેન
હમ,
પછી આ બાર ચાર્ટ વિશે સમજાવવાનું બોડી પેરેગ્રાફ 1 માં
હમ,
ફર્સ્ટ હાઈએસ્ટ વાળું લેવાનું પછી એના પછી ધીરે ધીરે નીચે અને
હમ.
પછી ઇક્વલ માં સિમિલર ઇક્વાલિટી માં પછી લોએસ્ટ નું સમજાવવાનું
ઓકે.
પછી સેકન્ડ બોડી પેરેગ્રાફ માં આ પાઈ ચાર્ટ વિશે
હમ,
એમાં હાઈએસ્ટ વાળું અને પછી મિનિમમ વાળું અને પછી ઓવરઓલ સ્ટેટમેન્ટમાં ફર્સ્ટ બાર ચાર્ટ વિશે અને પછી થર્ડ અને સેકન્ડ પાઈ ચાર્ટ વિશે
ઓકે. ઓવરઓલ.
ઓવરઓલમાં ફર્સ્ટ હાઈએસ્ટ ને લોએસ્ટ વાળું સમજાવવાનું પછી બાર અને છેલ્લે પાઈ ચાર્ટ નું સમજાવવું હોય તો મેક્સિમમ કાં તો મિનિમમ.
ઓકે, વેરી ગુડ. 17 ME 405.
યસ મેમ.
Yes, what you have understood, what would be your approach now?
મેમ આગળ જે એક્સપ્લેન કર્યું એ પ્રમાણે જ.
એ પ્રમાણે જ બીજું કઈ આઈડિયા?
હા બીજો તો ના કોઈ નહીં આઈડિયા.
ઓકે, મને કઈ બતાવીશ કેવી રીતે એક્સપ્લેન થશે, કેટલું તને ખબર પડી?
મેમ ફર્સ્ટ ઇન્ટ્રોડક્શનમાં રિફ્રેશ કરીને બંને બતાવવાનું કે બાર ગ્રાફમાં અને પાઈ ચાર્ટમાં શું એક્સપ્લેન કર્યું છે
હમ,
અને આપણી પાસે વેન નથી, કોઈ યર કે એવું પ્રોવાઈડ નથી કર્યું એટલે એ મેન્શન નહીં થાય.
ઓકે.
અને પછી સ્કેલ મેન્શન કરશું પર્સન્ટેજમાં,
હમ,
એટલું ઇન્ટ્રોડક્શનમાં આવશે. અને
હમ,
બોડી 1 માં મેક્સિમમ, સિમિલર અને મિનિમમ એ રીતે એક્સપ્લેન કરશું.
ઓકે.
ધેન પાઈ ચાર્ટમાં પણ એ રીતે મેક્સિમમ, પછી 5% લેસ કરીને 35% નું અને છેલ્લે મિનિમમ ટેક્સ પેયર્સ માટે.
ઓકે, વોટ અબાઉટ ઓવરઓલ?
ઓવરઓલમાં બાર ચાર્ટમાંથી હાઈએસ્ટ એન્ડ લીસ્ટ અને પાઈ ચાર્ટમાંથી કાં તો હાઈએસ્ટ અથવા તો હાઈએસ્ટ અને લીસ્ટ બંને કહી શકાય.
Okay, great. Good one. Next, 18 CP 010.
યસ મેમ.
Hmm.
ફર્સ્ટ ઇન્ટ્રોડક્શનમાં જે ઇન્ફોર્મેશન આપેલી હોય એના પરથી વોટ વેર વેન અને સ્કેલ પરથી રિફ્રેશ કરીને રિફ્રેશ કરીને લખવાનું. પછી બોડી
Hmm.
1માં બાર ગ્રાફનું એમાં પહેલા હાઈએસ્ટ ધેન સિમિલર અને પછી લોએસ્ટનું.
Hmm.
બોડી 2માં પાઈ ચાર્ટનું એમાં ફર્સ્ટ મેક્સિમમ ધેન એન પછીનું અને ધેન મિનિમમ. અને
Hmm.
ઓવરવ્યુમાં બાર ચાર્ટનું જે મેક્સિમમ હાઈએસ્ટ એન્ડ લોએસ્ટ અને પાઈ ચાર્ટનું મેક્સિમમ મિનિમમ.
Okay, good. Right. 18 EL 010.
યસ મેમ.
Yes, beta. How are you going to explain?
ઇન્ટ્રોમાં ફર્સ્ટ ક્વેશ્ચનમાં સ્ટેટમેન્ટ હશે એને પેરાફ્રેઝ કરીને લખીશું. પછી સ્કેલ મેન્શન કરીશું અને વોટ વેર વેનમાંથી જે આપણાને ડેટા હશે એ લખીશું.
Hmm.
પછી બોડી 1માં બાર ગ્રાફ એક્સપ્લેન કરીશું જેમાં હાઈએસ્ટ ટુ લોએસ્ટ જઈશું ધીરે
Hmm.
એક એક્સપ્લેન કરતા કરતા. પછી બોડી 2માં પાઈ ચાર્ટ એક્સપ્લેન કરીશું જેમાં હાઈએસ્ટ થી લોએસ્ટ જઈશું.
Hmm.
ઓવરવ્યુમાં હાઈએસ્ટ લોએસ્ટ જેવું ગ્રાફ્સનું એક્સપ્લેન કરીશું.
Okay, great. Next, in
લોએસ્ટ થી હાઈએસ્ટ જવાય મેમ?
ના બેટા, રિવર્સ ના જવાય, દર વખત હાઈએસ્ટ ટુ લોએસ્ટ જ હોય.
ઓકે.
Okay, but yes, for second pie chart, if you want to write on directly minimum or you want to directly show maximum, it is your call. ત્રણ એલિમેન્ટ મેન્શન થવા જોઈએ. Okay. Next, 18 ME 023.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
ફર્સ્ટ મેમ ઇન્ટ્રોડક્શન ની અંદર સ્ટેટમેન્ટ ને પેરાફ્રેઝ કરીને વોટ વેર વેન અને સ્કેલ લખીશું. ધેન બોડી 1 ની અંદર બાર ગ્રાફમાં ફર્સ્ટ હાઈએસ્ટ ધેન સિમિલર એન્ડ ધેન લોવેસ્ટ બોડી 2 માં પાઈ ચાર્ટ નું હાઈએસ્ટ 5% લેસ એન્ડ મિનિમમ અને સમ અપ માં હાઈએસ્ટ બાય ગ્રાફ નું હાઈએસ્ટ લોએસ્ટ એન્ડ બાય ચાર્ટ નું હાઈએસ્ટ લોએસ્ટ.
ઓકે, એ મેક્સિમમ મિનિમમ કરી દેજે.
ઓકે
રિપીટેશન
મેમ.
વર્ડ્સ નું. ઓકે, નેક્સ્ટ 18 ME 045.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, what would be your approach?
Ma'am, the same.
The same. You have to speak there, then only I can understand that whether you have understood it or not.
ઇન્ટ્રોડક્શન માં જે સ્ટાર્ટિંગ લાઈન હતી એને થોડું બ્રીફમાં સમજાવવાનું, પછી વોટ, વેન, વેર અને સ્કેલ સમજાવવાની, પછી બોડી 1 માં બાર ચાર્ટનું અને બોડી 2 માં પાઈ ચાર્ટનું, પછી લાસ્ટ પેરામાં ટુ સમ અપ એમાં બી હાઈએસ્ટ
Sum up use કરીએ છે આપણે લાસ્ટમાં.
sum up.
Do we use to sum up?
No, not sum up.
Then
Overview, sorry.
overview. So what is the linker we use for overview? Overview.
Highest to lowest, like from body 1 and body 2.
Okay. And second thing, when I talk about bar graph, what you have understood from the bar graph, how you're going to write in bar graph? કેવી રીતે લઈશ તું? ફેક્ટર્સ કેવી રીતે લઈશ? હાઈએસ્ટ થી ચાલુ કરીશ, લોએસ્ટ થી ચાલુ કરીશ, ગ્રુપિંગ કયો કરવાનું છે?
લોવેસ્ટ થી બી થાય ને હાઈએસ્ટ થી બી થાય.
ના થાય બેટા લોએસ્ટ થી. It can descending order ના. બાર ગ્રાફમાં તું એક્સપ્લેન કરવા જાવ તો હાઈએસ્ટ પકડીને ચાલુ તો જ ટ્રેન્ડ ખબર પડે ને. આપણે લખ્યું તું નહીં કે બાર ગ્રાફમાં ટ્રેન્ડ આવે. When it shows a kind of a trend from highest to lowest, રિવર્સમાં ક્યારે બી નહીં જઈએ આપણે. So it should be highest, that is 40%. Then what you're going to do after that?
Then the next one, we'll find the percentage and go to the next one.
You'll write the percentage and go to the next one. Are you going to compare there or group?
Group.
તે સાંભળ્યું છે બરાબર જે મેં એક્સપ્લેન કર્યું હતું પ્રોપર?
Group
40 થી 38% તું ગ્રુપ કરીશ કે કમ્પેર કરીશ એમ કહું છું.
40 નું 38 compare.
પછી 20 વાળું જે છે each એ ગ્રુપ થશે ને?
20 group.
9 and 12 again it is grouping. So at least you're showing one comparison. Second comparison, you're going to do it in pie chart from individuals to employer. That is again a comparison. કેટલાથી ઘટ્યું તો ફરી highest થી ચાલુ કરાય. And least you can say that is taxpayer. Right? Introduction માં જે પહેલી સેન્ટેન્સ છે ને, પહેલી લીટી જે છે ને, એ તારે એકદમ ડિસ્ક્રાઇબ નહીં કરવાનું. એને બસ પેરાફ્રેઝિંગ કહેવાય. પેરાફ્રેઝિંગ એટલે વર્ડ ચેન્જ કરીને સેમ સેન્ટેન્સ તું ફરી લખું. બરાબર છે?
ઓકે.
એન્ડ ઓવરઓલમાં બાર ગ્રાફથી રિલેટેડ હાઈએસ્ટ લોવેસ્ટ મેન્શન કરવાનું. પાઈ ચાર્ટમાં કાં તો મેક્સિમમ કાં તો મિનિમમ આવશે. ક્લિયર?
ઓકે મેમ.
ઓકે. 19 CP 307.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Could you please explain me what you have understood? Yeah.
Yes, ma'am. In first introduction, કયો ટાઈપ છે ચાર્ટનો એ, then what, when અને where આવશે. then body 1 માં સપોઝ હાઈએસ્ટ થી એના કરતાં લેસ ધેન જોવાનું. સપોઝ અહીંયા ઇન્ટરેસ્ટ ઓફ સબ્જેક્ટ 40% છે તો ટુ ગેઇન ક્વોલિફિકેશન 38 which is 2% લેસ. તો એ રીતે અને પછી એ રીતે લોએસ્ટમાં જવાનું. પછી બોડી 2 માં જે પાઈ ચાર્ટ આપ્યો છે એમાં બી હાઈએસ્ટ ટુ લોએસ્ટ એ રીતે કમ્પેરિઝન કરતા જવાનું. દેન ઓવરઓલમાં બંને ચાર્ટના મેક્સિમમ અને મિનિમમ
ના જે બાર ચાર્ટ છે એમાંથી હાઈએસ્ટ અને લોએસ્ટ અને પાઈ
Lowest.
ચાર્ટમાં મેક્સિમમ અને મિનિમમ.
Maximum, minimum. Okay. Great. Not an issue. સારું, કઈ વાંધો નહીં. I think you people are good to go. કઈ બી ડાઉટ હોય તો પ્લીઝ પૂછી લેજો. Okay. And next, till when you're going to submit your writing task 1 and task 2? Yes.
Thursday, ma'am.
Thursday? Tuesday. Okay, fine. I'll wait till Tuesday evening 6.
Okay.
Okay. So Tuesday evening, please try to submit your essay and writing task 1 both. Okay. So I would end this meeting before the battery goes. I think all the discussions are made. I won't be able to stretch this
hello.
laptop. Yes. Yes.
When speaking માટે કોઈ practice માટે કોઈ છે કે?
બેટા ઓનલાઈન બી મળી જશે ને સ્પીકિંગ ની બુક બી હશે ઓનલાઈન. Are you like Anand?
ના મેમ.
ઓકે આનંદ જ્યારે આવો તો કિટ લઈ જજે. એમાં એક વ્હાઈટ કલરની મોરેન સ્પીકિંગ કરીને એમાં બી વધારે ખ્યાલ આવી જશે તમને.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, so you can do that.
Okay.
Right? બાકી ઓનલાઈન છે એવું હશે તો બસ ઓનલાઈન સ્પીકિંગ માટે phase 1 phase 2 લિસ્ટ કરીને એક આવે છે એમાં બી phase 1 phase 2 છે સોલ્ટ સાથે હશે તો you can see that. વિડિયોઝ બી તમે જો તો વધારે સારું બટ બોલવાની પ્રેક્ટિસ કરવાની બસ કન્ટેન્ટ જોઈને ફાયદો નહીં થાય. until and unless you speak તમારું સ્પીકિંગ ફ્લુએન્ટલી નહીં આવે એટલું યાદ રાખજો. Okay. Any other doubt that you all have? No?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Okay, fine. So I think we are good to go then. Tuesday, Sanjay, 6 p.m. સુધી please મોકલી દેજો યાદથી. And I hope IDs બધા પાસે હશે જ. Right? કોઈ એવા છે જેમનું કઈ ફોર્મેટ બાકી છે કે એવું કશું? Have you taken the format? The print or something? All of you? મેં ગ્રુપમાં ફોર્મેટ વાળું એક PDF શેર કર્યું હતું લિસનિંગ રીડિંગ રાઇટિંગ એન્ડ સ્પીકિંગ માટે.
Yes, ma'am.
તો એમાં પ્રિન્ટ લીધું છે બીકોઝ હવે નેક્સ્ટ સેટરડે સન્ડે આપણે જ્યારે સ્પીકિંગ કરીશું તો તમે ફોર્મેટ રેફર કરીને રાખજો તો સો દેટ યુ આર નોટ બ્લેન્ક વેન આઈ એમ આસ્કિંગ યુ ક્વેશ્ચન્સ. પહેલા તો ફોર્મેટમાંથી જે ક્વેશ્ચન હશે એ પૂછીશ. થોડું દેર વુડ બી અ ડિફરન્ટ ક્વેશ્ચન દેટ આઈ માઇટ આસ્ક. Getting it?
Yes.
તો
Yes,
નથી PDF તો લઈ રાખજો. Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Fine, that's all. So we are done for the day. Thank you so much attending for this session. See you then on next Saturday. Okay?
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank
Yes.
you, ma'am.
Welcome.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
You're welcome.